Oh, there it is. Got it outside, got it finished up. Don't look too bad. I'm kind of happy with it. One of the neater things I ever built. Double time getting it out of the basement though. That thing is heavy. That wood is soaked like crazy. So I'll kind of give you a rundown on what kind of parts we're going to use on that. Now the top and the seats, they're all the same size. They're 2x6 and they're 32 inches long. 32 inches long. And they got like a ½ inch spacing in between each one. Let me roll this up so you can see it. Okay, the legs, those legs there, they're 32 7/8 inches long from long point to short point with a 30-degree angle. Okay, and the smaller legs are 19 inches long point to short point at a 30-degree angle. Now the bottom part, 2x4, this here, that's 60 inches long. I did cut bevels on the ends. I come in 1 3/4 by 1 3/4, and it's like 45 them off. That center brace piece to the table is 21 3/4 inches, 45-degree bevel, and that's long point to long point. So these tops, this right here, there's 2 of them, and they're 23.5 inches long. 2 of them you can see there. And the center inner supports going back and forth, they're 26 inches long. That's all 2x4. Now on the leg part, you got your 60-inch piece, and the ones in between are 24.5 inches, and the little front supports that's holding the leg on, they're 11.5 inches. Now that's offset 4 inches from the 2x4 to the edge on both. That's your measurement from the edge of that 60-inch piece over to the 24.5-inch piece. 11.5 inches for the small ones. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty basic. Now the braces, I added them on because it was it wasn't exactly pretty stable if it didn't put them in there, so put them in, took the wobble out of it. This has a little bit of give to it, you can see, but I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Unless somebody sat on it, it might. But you could probably run that brace farther up into here and give it a little more stability. But I think if I do it again, I'm going to take that 2x4 60-inch piece out of there and make that a 2x6 just for more support. But that's it. If you got anybody needs ask any questions about it, just get a hold of me, or you can go to, this is an Anna White thing she had on her website that I seen, and I liked it, so that's what we done there. And I brought the bench out here, set it out, just got everything in my basement today. This is the same bench that I done on the live build. Anybody needs to know anything, just get a hold of me. I'll give you the measurements on it too, or whatever. But that's real nice to have out next to the pond or flower garden or something. Just set it around if you want to sit down. All right, gang. That's it for today. I may make one of these out of just regular old 2x4s, and I may make one with the picnic table just out of regular 2x4s. It's one of my boxes from last year. Kind of weathered, kind of cool, isn't it? All right. But I may make one of these little 2-person tables out of 2x4, just regular 2x4s and 2x6 to see how it goes. See what it does. My grandson's car. It's just hot rod, I call it. He just put a new motor and transmission and everything in it, souped it up a little bit. But then you guys doing them cedar boxes, if you don't treat them, they will turn. Just going to show you up here the ones that we put up last year. They do turn colors. So you might want to treat them. All right, that's all I got. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.